Hello, Jutta family. These are the 4 puppies that were taken from the municipality police as they had nowhere to go. Playful, happy little lot. These 4 are always happy. They were temporarily placed in one of the cat enclosures, this little separate area, as they had nowhere to go, and it was the safest area. Although parvo can live in soil for years, so shelters are not the best place to have puppies. But the idea was that cats enclosure will be the safest. This is a brand new enclosure just for them. It's at the edge. On the lower level you can see the fruit farm next door. They are exploring their new enclosure for the first time. And he has his little leg. Oh, bless. Little accident. Oh, there's a treat. Leg is all better all of a sudden. No more problem with the leg, there's a treat. These babies are always playing. They are really beautiful. They seem to me, I may be wrong, a coconi mix. They may be a coconi mix. Their next door neighbor is Ace. There's Ace checking them out. Probably going, oh, youngsters next door. So all these babies are available to sponsor, please, and available to adopt now. They all had their parvo's full course of vaccine and the rest, so they are safe. That's Limonia. Very briefly, Limonia's checking them out as well. Aren't they gorgeous? Thank you very much, Jutta family, for all your support.